welcome to the LINmagination channel. I am so happy that you clicked on this video. Today I'm going to share with you a duo studio here at the villas at Disneyland Hotel. So this room sleeps up to 2 people and it has just the bare necessities. So this is your view when you walk into your room. To the left is a full-length mirror, and then across the way is the bathroom. I love the leaf detailing for Jungle Book. There's some at the top as well. This nice bright mirror. As far as amenities go, we do have bath soap here, body lotion. That's where you'll find the hair dryer. What's this? A shower cap. Some towels, extra toilet paper. And then here is where the commode is. This beautiful artwork. We've got some towels over there hanging, and then this room just has a shower, but the shower is so beautiful, you guys. So we've got a ceiling shower head, and then we have this handheld shower head there. And then of course your standard body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. We've got this bench so you can have a place to set all of your toiletries. And then some hooks to hang your belongings. We've got a Keurig machine here that is so awesome, and they provided us with a lot of coffee. I was really shocked to see that we have like this bowl of coffee here, as well as some hot cocoa and some different teas. Oh, here's one decaf coffee, and then we have some condiment kits here. We've got a few drawers that way you can organize your things. And we've also got a safe, more drawers. Here is the fridge. I'm so glad that we have a microwave in the room. And then we also have some plates and cups. There's a little ice bucket back there. And then down here is where we have the silverware. I love that there's like 2 forks, 2 spoons, 2 knives. And for those of you that enjoy adult beverages, they do have this wine opener here. And check this out, they also have a can opener for you guys to use. Welcome home, Per Hour family. No matter how many times I see this message, I will never get tired of it. It always makes me so happy when I see it. Next to the TV is this chair and some more beautiful artwork. Check out Mowgli over there. The elephants. And like this scenery picture here. I even love the detailing on the curtains. So pretty. We have another chair there for our use, and I love that the carpet says the bare necessities of life will come to you. So appropriate for this room. We have these 2 little coffee table ottoman type things, and then here, my friends, is where our couch is, and then in that wall there is where the bed is. So this is a queen size bed, so they do an excellent job of maximizing use for this small space. It doesn't feel cramped at all. There's also some outlets on each side of the couch slash bed. All right, let me pull down the bed for you so you can see what it looks like when it's all set up. Isn't this the most darling art of Baloo and Mowgli? Oh my gosh, I am living for it. So you may be wondering where the pillows are. I got you. So there is a closet here where you can put your luggage like we have. There's also, of course, hangers in here, but up top is where you'll find the pillows. All right, Sean is coming in with an assist. We discovered that the mirror moves. So if you're looking for an iron, boom, right there. And this is also where you'll find the ironing board, and then a, what's that thing called? Laundry basket. And a laundry basket. Thanks, honey. All right, so we have a standard view. So this is not a villa, you guys. We don't have like an outdoor area to lounge around, but that's all right because we'll probably be at the parks most of the time. But anyways, here is what our standard view looks like. Across the way, it looks like there's some residential houses maybe. And then down on the grounds, there is some foliage. I'm sure in a few years this will be like nice and lush. Over there is a grill so you can barbecue. And it looks like they've also got some tables over that way, so yeah. All right, friends, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you have any questions and what your thoughts are about this duo studio. All right, bye.